favorite ways to reset my routine is to clean my space, and my apartment has been needing this so bad. So I spent this entire week going room by room and cleaning every corner of my apartment. This was so much work, but it was so worth it, and I'm also so glad I got it done all at once. So if you're in need of some motivation, you've come to the right video. So let's get started with room number 1. Here is the bathroom situation. The biggest thing is these countertops. Like, this all needs to be cleared off. The shower needs a good deep clean, and I've just been throwing things everywhere. I get ready in here morning and night, and every time I'm done with something, I just leave it out. I don't put it away. So it ends up like this after a while. So I need to organize. I need to clean everything up. We're gonna start with the countertops. Looking so much better. I even lit a candle so it smells so good in here, but just cleaning off the countertops makes it look so much better in here. So next I'm gonna get started on cleaning this shower. My shower, for some reason, gets gross so fast. Definitely the dirtiest my shower has ever been. It is so gross. Like, every time I've taken a shower recently, I've been like, I have to clean in here. It's so disgusting. But getting in here right now and actually doing it, it's way worse than I thought, like way worse. So I'm really deep cleaning. I'm going over every single tile. Every single little spot and corner is being cleaned. It needs it really bad. I've actually never seen my shower looking this bad. It's so crazy. Everything just got so built up, and I knew it was dirty, but actually getting in there and cleaning it made me realize it was so much worse than I thought. So I definitely don't want it to get to this point again. The cleaning products were starting to get to me, so I went to open a window and look at this double rainbow. That is the motivation I needed. So next we're gonna do the floor. I'm first gonna wash all the rugs on the floor. I have 3 white rugs, and I'm gonna throw those in the wash machine, and then I'm gonna use my water vacuum. This is my favorite for using all around the house. I'm gonna go over the floor a couple times in here. This wood floor cleaner is so nice, and I also use it on my cabinets. It just polishes everything up really well, and it makes everything smell so good. It's in this almond scent, and it's so delish. Next, we are starting on my room. It is so messy and chaotic in here. I have not been spending any time in my room lately, and when that happens, everything gets so messy and crazy in here. It's just too much. It feels so overwhelming in here. So I want to pick this up so it is spotless. I honestly just need to spend time putting all of this stuff away. Like, it is so cluttered in here, and it just feels really overwhelming. So it's gonna be so nice when it's all clean. Making my bed always makes a big difference. Like, it already looks so much cleaner in here just because the biggest thing in the room is clean. So now it's time to start on the rest of the room. The first thing I want to get done is my laundry. I have so many clean clothes that need to be put away and folded and sorted. I usually am really good about organizing my clothes in my closet and my dresser. So I'm gonna put everything in separate piles and actually get my closet back to looking nice. I have so much laundry though. It's crazy. Extra as this is, I've always wanted to make a brandy drawer and have like a dedicated drawer in my dresser just to my cute lacy brandy top and just everything I wear the most often. I wear these around the house, I run errands in these, and I also sleep in them. They're like my favorite tops ever, so this came out so cute. I'm taking a break from the laundry and I'm gonna do the top of my dresser next. All of this stuff just needs to be put away. I always just set things on here so it gets cluttered really quick, and then I wanna give it a good wipe down and just reset this entire area. Honestly, I think with any flat surface, it always becomes the place that I set everything, so it's always really cluttered on my dresser. So after I finally put everything away, I'm wiping down the surface, making sure there's no dust, and cleaning everything thoroughly. Next, I need to organize my vanity. It is so cluttered here too. There's so much going on up here, but to be honest, I really don't mind this mess. I actually love organizing my vanity. It just builds up so quickly. Like, I get ready here every single day. I film a lot of videos here. So if I don't put something away right after using it, it builds up so fast. So we're gonna fix this. It feels a lot more inviting to sit down at a clean vanity rather than a super cluttered one, so I'm so glad I got that done. Every time I clean like this, I'm like, why don't I do this more often? Like, I want my vanity to be this clean every single day. So next I'm gonna work on the floors, specifically the stairs. These get dirty so quickly, and it's just one of those things I have to keep up with. Honestly, my living room isn't even looking that bad. This is probably the easiest room I have to clean in my entire apartment. Like, it's really nothing too crazy. It just gets dirty. This is one of my favorite things ever. It's this like fabric razor that gets the pilling off. So I love using it on my couch. It collects it right here, and it's crazy how much there is on here. This makes a huge difference. It even makes my couch look newer, and like the color of my couch changes. I love using this. Next, we're gonna do this area. This is where things get a little bit cluttered. I have a bunch of random stuff to put away, and then I'm gonna clean this off. I love this bookshelf, so I'm gonna put all my books on here, and it's gonna look so much better. This is my other favorite cleaning appliance. This is a mini water vacuum, and I love using this on my rug and on my couch. I'm not gonna lie, this is when cleaning my living room gets very tedious, but it's always so necessary and it makes a huge difference. I also love filling this machine with scent boosters, so that way it smells really good. I never realized how dirty my furniture and my rugs are until I started using this. That is so disgusting. I was gonna decorate in here a little more, but I'm honestly loving how simple this looks, especially on my TV console. I've never left nothing on there, but I feel like it just looks so clean. And the sun's finally out today, so it's just putting the whole room together. Next, next we're gonna do the kitchen. I feel like throughout my apartment, it isn't necessarily dirty and filthy, it's more cluttered. So like looking at my kitchen, I have this sink full of dishes as usual, but like my countertops, I guess they are kind of dirty, but like there's stuff covering every surface and I feel like that takes up so much space, making the room look way dirtier than it is. So I really want to focus on cleaning every surface off and making it more minimal. That way the room looks way cleaner. This looks so much cuter. It's not too cluttered, but it's like still a little decorative. I decided to set up this little tray with all of my jams and honey and make it super cute. I have a teacup, I have a couple jars, and then some of my favorite mugs. And then I put this plug-in shell light. I have my mugs next to that, and then my espresso machine, which I cleaned. It looks 10 times better, like so shiny. Like that is all I want on my countertops. It looks so clean and minimal, but it still looks cute. Like it's still a bit decorative. It shows my style, but it just looks a lot more clean. Now that we have all of that done, it's time to move on to these dishes. And I put off dishes all the time. Like this is my least favorite chore ever. But honestly, this isn't looking too bad. And it's because I started using dishwashing gloves. I hated doing the dishes more than anything. It would pile up so high. But when I started using dishwashing gloves, it really changed everything for me because now I'm not touching anything. I literally put these on and I can scrub any dishes. I can clean the sink. I can do whatever because it's not actually me touching anything. So if you hate doing the dishes as much as I do, you should definitely try these. It's a game changer. Honestly, these dishes aren't even that bad because I haven't let them pile up as bad as I was. The worst feeling is thinking you're done with the dishes and then you look over and you see a bunch of pans you have to hand wash. Honestly, it happens to me every time. And of course I have to wash all of these by hand, but I am gonna get all of these done. Next, I'm gonna clean these cabinets. They're looking a little gross, I'm not gonna lie. So I'm gonna spray these down and then I'm gonna use this same wood cleaner I've been using throughout this video. Like, I can't even tell you guys how good this smells. I want my entire apartment to smell like this. I'm obsessed with this like sweet almond vanilla scent. So the fact that you can get it in a cleaning product, this is made for me. Like, come on, it smells so good. A couple months ago, I also got new kitchen towels and they're so cute. I definitely want to get more of these because they're holding up really well and they're pink and white stripe. So again, so cute. And then lastly, the pink sponges. I mean, if I'm gonna clean, it might as well be cute, right? That feels so much better in here. I actually love how I ended up organizing everything. My kitchen turned out so good. I honestly think this was like the biggest transformation in any room in my apartment in this video. Like, I decluttered, I put things away. I love how like clean the countertops look. I even have a nice set of pots and pans that I usually leave out here, but I was like, no, I want them in the cabinet. Like, I don't want to look at them. So I'm actually so happy with this. The little nightlight I think was such a cute touch, and I'm honestly loving the space. I think I'm gonna order food tonight because I do not want to cook. It just looks too good to ruin tonight. Thank you guys so much for watching and staying until the end. These videos are my absolute favorite when I need motivation to clean my space, and clearly I needed that motivation. It was pretty bad in here. Like, every single room was in need of a deep clean, honestly. It wasn't even just surface level stuff, but it always feels so much better when it's done, and I'm always so much more productive when my space is clean. So this is your sign to clean your space. It's definitely worth it, but I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching until the end, and I will see you in my next video. Yes! Oh my God. Mwah.